What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to open pinned programs on your taskbar using keyboard shortcuts. So along the bottom here I have my pinned programs. I have Outlook, File Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. OBS is not pinned, I'm just using that to record right now, so it's open. But if I want to open any one of these with a keyboard shortcut, it would have to be Windows key and a number. So I have 4 programs pinned here. So this one would be Windows key and 1. This one would be Windows key and 2, Windows key and 3, and then this one would be Windows key and 4. You can do this all the way up to Windows key and 0. So it goes 1 through 9 and then 0, giving you 10 pinned programs you can open with keyboard shortcuts. So let me show you how this works real quick. I'm going to try and open File Explorer. So that should be Windows key and 2. So I'm going to do that real quick. Boom, File Explorer opens. And now I'm going to try and open Chrome. So that should be Windows key and 4. Boom, Google Chrome opens. So hopefully you guys found this quick video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.